founder of My Book Therapy, where we help you get published and stay published. And I'm here with pitching tip number 2, and that is understand and pitch your dramatic question. What if you were in the witness protection program and never told a soul, including your husband, until the day your past showed up? Or what if you were agoraphobic and the perfect man moved in next door? How would you meet him? What if your wife of 25 years fell and lost her memory and you were on the brink of divorce? Would you save your marriage? These are the questions that I used when I pitched my books, You Don't Know Me, The Shadow of Your Smile, and My Foolish Heart. Here's my new one. What if you found a John Doe? Would you try to find his identity? See, these are called dramatic questions, and they form the backbone of your pitch. See, often people want to pitch their internal question. Will they find forgiveness? Will they find true love? Will they have the grace that they need to complete their task? Of course they will. That's what the story is about. And so you're asking a rhetorical question. We want a real question, something that stirs us on the inside that makes us think, would I do this? This is intriguing to me. And if it's intriguing to them and it's intriguing to you, then most likely it will be intriguing to an agent and it will make them wake up and ask for more. To make your book pop and to find the right external pitch, you need to ask, well, what's at stake? What are the big questions that have to do with the external obstacles of my story? How about this? Can one barefoot New York cop save a group of hostages from a band of terrorists? Die Hard, right? Think external question, and you'll be well on your way to crafting a great pitch. If you found this helpful, I'd like to invite you to join us for the annual Pitch and Promotion Seminar that MBT holds right before ACFW every year. It's in Indianapolis this year on Friday, right before the conference. And if you'd like to attend, we'd love to have you there. Check out the details below. See you next week with pitching tip number 3.